Hello friends, good morning. So welcome to the Harry Sir Academy, and friends, it is my 31 day of 75 hard days English challenge. And friends, today I'm gonna start my first step to read newspaper and books. So friends, before reading books, I want to tell you something. And friends, do you know it is winter season is going on and it is foggy today. So here I used in my sentence fog. So what does the fog means? कोहरे को इंग्लिश में कहते हैं फॉग. एंड वेन एवर यू सी फ्रेंड्स डेंस फॉग. सो वट डज द डेंस फॉग मीन्स? इट मीन्स घना कोहरा. And friends, in winter season, whenever you wake up early in the morning, that time you see there is a frost outside. So what does the frost means? Actually the frost meaning is पाला. पाले को इंग्लिश में कहते हैं frost. And friends, जो धुंध होती है, धुंध को इंग्लिश में कहते हैं mist. So friends, here I gave you some winter vocabulary, and right now I am going to read newspaper and books. Social media users are taking a decisive stand. They are collectively eschewing on destination the Maldives this trend, widely known as boycott. Comments by Maldivian officials about Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The incident has swiftly escalated into significant. Friends, I have completed my reading, and while reading newspaper I have found some words, and now I want to share with you a word, that is alight. So what does the meaning of alight? The meaning is to get off a bus and train etc. We can say in Hindi bus or train इनसे उतरना. For example, stop the car for some time, children are alighting on the bus. Like a way to just be independent, to just earn money, and especially for women, we look at, if you know, like she'll be independent, she will be financially independent, she will be able to do a job.
Depend on a guy or a man to support her.
Friends, after completing my 1 hour listening, right now I want to share with you some one word substitution. So friends, do you believe in God? Friends, if you believe in God, you are called theist. And friends, if you don't believe in God, you are called atheist. So friends, I want to give the example of my mother. Do you know friends, my mother believes in so many gods like Lord Shiva, Lord Rama, Lord Krishna, and so many gods. So she is called polytheist. If I talk about my brother, do you know friends, he is devotee of Lord Shiva, a person who believes only one God, that is called monotheist. Do you know friends, if I talk about myself, so I believe in all religion and all gods. So I am called Omist. Friends, after reading newspaper and listening video, I have found some words, and after that I made example on them. And after making example, now I want to share with you an idiom that is as sound as a dollar. So what is the meaning of this idiom? And the meaning is to be very secure and dependent. We can say in Hindi, किसी भी चीज का बहुत ही सुरक्षित और भरोसेमंद होना. For example, you should invest in the gold because it is as sound as a dollar. Good evening, sir. So first of all, thank you, sir, for giving me this precious opportunity. Friends, today I am going to share the 10 uses of mobile phone. So there are lots of good uses for mobile phone, but I have some special uses of mobile phone. The first one is for having conversation. Really, friends, if you are living in anywhere in the world, with the help of that mobile phone, you can have conversation to each other in a cinch. If you want to talk to your family wherever you are doing job and you are doing your business, you can talk to your family easily. If you are a student and you want to do the study with the help of mobile phone, you can use the mobile phone for your study. And the third one is there are lots of things that you can like a YouTube, so many apps we can learn from new things on the YouTube, and we can learn some new recipes. If you are going to prepare some food and every time you are fond of cooking, then you can learn the recipe from the mobile phone. And the fourth one is if you are fond of books and your job like a marketing type, and you can't carry the books every time with yourself. With help of that mobile phone, you can read e-books, and there are so many books. And the person who is not educated, the fifth point is a person who is not educated and he doesn't know a single alphabet of any letters, and he want to just know about the news, whatever is going on in our world and in our surrounding. He can use the online platform. He can learn the news on YouTube and any type of channel.
Good evening, sir, and good evening, my dear batchmates.
Good evening.
Today's my topic is benefits of daily exercise. So I am going to share what I think about daily exercise. You know, daily exercise is very important thing for our whole body. With the help of daily exercise, we know about the ability of our whole anatomy. We know about our organs also, and if we have some problem in some particular area, if we have a back problem, if we have an eyesight problem, with the help of daily exercise, we can solve this type of problems. And if we have facing some problem, digestion problem, loss of appetite, with the help of daily exercise, we can improve our digestion system and as well improve our appetite also. And because when we do the daily exercise, definitely our mind release a very good hormones in our whole body, and it will feel better to us. Daily exercise is very important thing for whole family. When we decided to daily exercise, definitely we should get up early in the morning, and it will benefit our time management also.
First of all, thank you so much, sir, for giving me this great opportunity.
Most
Today, I'm going to share my point of views on zero waste. So, zero waste is a concept according to which we should minimize the waste production from our households, as it is a step towards sustainable development. As we all know that we are running out of natural resources, so it is a good thing that we should adopt a zero waste lifestyle for our upcoming generation. Otherwise, how our upcoming generation will survive? So I have few ideas by which we can adopt a zero waste lifestyle. So first one is use of cloth bag. Whenever we go to market, we buy goods and we carry those goods in a plastic bag, and then we throw that plastic bag in garbage and create loss and generate lots of waste. So instead of this, we should carry a cloth bag with us every time whenever we go to market, as cloth bags are washable and reusable. So whenever we go to market, we should carry our goods in cloth bag. By this, we can minimize the waste production and we will not generate the waste. The second thing is we should use menstrual cup instead of pads. In each menstrual cycle, we generate I think 2 to 3 poly bags of waste in every menstrual cycle. So instead of this, we should use menstrual cup, as pads are very harmful for us. According to few research states that it causes cancer in women. So it is not good for our environment, and as well as it is not good for our health. So we should use menstrual cup, as it is not harmful for environment and it is not harmful for our body also. It is a bit costly, but if you will buy a menstrual cup, you can use it for 6 to 7 months. So it is a good thing. We should switch towards menstrual cup.
Friends, today I have completed my all tasks to read Bhagavad Gita, and today what I learned in Bhagavad Gita that I want to share with you, and that is, of the unreal there is no existence, and of the real there is no non-existence. And the final truth of both of these is known by men of wisdom. Hare Krishna friends, today I have completed my 31 day of 75 hard days English challenge. And friends, if you like our work, please support us to like the video and subscribe the channel.